In other news, the Kenya energy generating company KenGen plans to install over 30 electric vehicle charging ports across the country by the end of next year. The energy generator says the move is part of the revenue diversification strategy. Already, KenGen has 2 EV charging stations in Nairobi and Naivasha, even as it plans to phase out petrol and diesel-powered vehicles from its fleet by the year 2025. Today, the company has unveiled its first 4 electric vehicles in Nairobi as part of its green energy plan.
The uptake of electric vehicles is gaining momentum as governments across the world embrace electronic vehicles due to their cost effectiveness and environmental friendliness. The government is targeting to have 5% of all registered vehicles in Kenya electric by 2025. The electric vehicle market in Kenya is still very nascent, with the country having around 1,200 registered non-fuel vehicles. This has seen the upsurge of electric vehicles startup, with firms such as Basigo entering into the public transport vehicle business using EV buses. The Swedish startup also plans to start assembling electric buses next month with a production target of 100 units by the end of 2023. Kenya Power is also banking on the electric vehicle wave as it unveiled a 40 million shillings plan to switch to electric vehicles while phasing out fossil fuel-powered vehicles and motorbikes from its fleet. The firm purchased 3 electric vehicles, 2 pickups and 1 4-wheel drive as a pilot. Power generator KenGen has followed suit, unveiling 4 electric vehicles which will be used for data collection and policy development as it seeks to phase out diesel-powered vehicles from its fleet. KenGen Acting Managing Director Abraham Serem noted that the pilot EV project will provide guidance on the phasing out of fossil fuel-powered vehicles. The pilot will further provide insights into initial technology choices for electric charging infrastructure in the country.
Today, we flag 4 electric vehicles, which include 2 SAFs and 2 double cabin pickups, which will primarily be used for data collection.
It will also drive upwards power demand and is also envisioned to boost the company's revenue by way of selling more electricity to power transportation. Plans to install over 30 EV charging stations across the country are at an advanced stage.
Is here with us. Countries around the world are racing to phase out gasoline and petrol cars. France, England, Norway, India, China, USA and the Netherlands are leading with either a call to stop the sale of internal combustion engines by 2050.
Already, KenGen said it has 2 EV charging stations in Nairobi and Naivasha and plans to install an additional 3 by end of 2023 in Murang'a, Embu and Kisumu.